Here is how we can make stickers on the iPhone. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. There are actually more ways how you can make that work. The first one is by going to messages and finding the stickers. By when you click on a plus, right, you can go there and you can see we have the plus button to create a new one. So I can even pull it up like this, click the plus button, which gets me to my photos selection. So if anything that could be turned into a sticker is there, I can tap on it. For example, this picture of a microphone gets selected like this. I can tap the plus button and now I have it as a sticker in there. So I can hold down on it and delete it if I don't like it, rearrange it, or even add effect. So there are 4 effects which I can add, right? The best one, in my opinion, is the outline, which makes it look kind of like a real sticker with a white outline. But there are also more, like you can add this kind of like, don't know what it is, but yeah, these kind of like colorful effects. Yeah, but you can add stickers like that. On the other hand, you can also go to your photos directly and find any subject which you have. For example, let me go and find some kind of photo which I might have available, right? Let's say it's gonna be this image, right? Whatever, or let me just grab this camera. I can hold down on it to select it as such. You can see that it does somewhat of a good job selecting the area of the photo like that, and I have the option to click on add a sticker. So I also have the ability to turn photos saved in my gallery into actual stickers. So a lot of times this is even more useful than the option I've shown you before. So you can turn it like this and it just adds it right here to my already existing stickers. So that's how it works. I hope it helps. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.